All right, cool. This is how you manage your account in the Eazl app. So first, let's talk about managing your profile photo, email, and communication preferences. So you just click here to update your profile photo. You would click here to change your account email, and what you'll just enter your new email address, and then you will have to re-verify the new email address that you've added. And then if you want to manage your communication preferences, just go here to these interaction preferences. You can control the frequency with which you receive emails from Eazl, and also you can personalize what you get by working in this area. Now let's talk about billing and managing a membership if you have one. So this is how you find your billing settings. You can also top up your balance manually by clicking this Add Money button. You can also, once you're in here, you can download your billing history. So if you ever want to see the charges that have been charged against your account, you just select a date range, and then you can download a detailed activity of your billing history. And if you do have a membership with Eazl, then this is how you manage it here. And this will knock you over to a Stripe portal. This is our payments provider, and you can update your billing methods. You can cancel, upgrade, downgrade. And then if you want to enable automatic top-ups just so that you don't have any service disruptions, you can also do that here. You'll just have to add a payment method, and then if you ever basically run out of balance, then the app will automatically top up your account. All right, cool. And then finally, we'll cover changing your password and logging out. So this is how you change your password. You're going to have to go to Eazl.ai/login to reset your password here. And then this is how you log out. Just click this little button. And if you want to delete your account and remove all of your user information, you just click this button and follow the instructions. All right, those are the essential points of managing your account in the Eazl application. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment.